Hello and welcome to the session. Research Project, LO1. Are you ready to dive into the world of research projects? This video will guide you through essential aspects of crafting a research proposal or dissertation. From key terminologies to structuring your proposal, we'll explore everything you need to succeed. Understanding key terminologies is crucial for any research. Data refers to measurements of facts under specific conditions. A hypothesis is a tentative assumption or expected result. The independent variable is what the researcher manipulates. The dependent variable reflects the effect of the independent variable. A sample is a subset of the population for data collection. A critical review evaluates existing literature on a topic. A research proposal includes introduction, literature review, and methods. A dissertation report is the complete research document. Understanding these terms helps in structuring your research effectively. Research involves systematically discovering unknown information. Methodology is the philosophical framework of the research. Research methodology details the methods, approach, and design. It justifies choices and considers practical applicability. Knowing this helps in conducting systematic and effective research. Your proposal starts with an introduction. It includes background study, research rationale, and research gap. Aims and objectives are also outlined here. Research questions and hypothesis are included if applicable. This sets the foundation for your research work. The literature review is the second chapter. It covers academic theories and critical reviews. Conceptual frameworks are also discussed. This chapter provides a theoretical base for your study. It helps in identifying gaps and forming research questions. The methodology chapter uses the research onion framework. It identifies sampling techniques and sample size. Data collection methods are justified. You'll explain data analysis techniques here. Ethical considerations are also addressed. This chapter provides an overview of data collection. It discusses demographic data using figures and tables. Quantitative data involves statistical analysis. Qualitative data uses thematic analysis. The chapter compares findings with academic literature. The final chapter summarizes the dissertation. It includes key findings and research objectives. Recommendations are based on findings. Limitations and future work scope are discussed. This chapter concludes your research journey. The research process begins with deciding a title. Ensure it reflects the research scope. Good titles provide clear research direction. Avoid starting with an impressive title without objectives. Efficient use of time is crucial in research. Background study introduces the research topic. Include literature on topic evolution and importance. For instance, Islamic finance is an alternative to traditional finance. This section familiarizes readers with the research topic. Provide an overview without going too deep. Explain why you chose the research topic. Discuss the research area and any identified gaps. Mention conflicting arguments or lack of research. Is it an emerging research area? Providing these arguments strengthens your research rationale. Formulating aims and objectives is critical. It determines research, scope, and direction. Avoid choosing broad topics or unrealistic objectives. Ensure methods align with the time frame. Proper formulation guides the entire research process. Examples illustrate good research titles. They assess employer branding, service quality, and working capital management. These titles are specific and relevant. They guide research focus effectively. Clear titles facilitate objective formulation. Choosing objectives involves literature review and analysis. Objective 1 involves literature review. Objective 2 continues literature review. Objective 3 involves quantitative or qualitative analysis. Objective 4 focuses on research findings. Consider a study on brand equity's impact on consumer decisions. Objectives include assessing branding's marketing role, analyzing factors influencing mobile phone purchase intention, investigating brand equity's impact on Samsung's consumer intention, recommending brand promotion strategies for Samsung. Research questions explore brand equity's impact on decisions. What role does branding play in marketing? What factors influence mobile phone purchase intention? How does brand equity affect Samsung's consumer intention? What brand promotion recommendations suit Samsung? Avoid starting with a title without objectives. Impressive titles can mislead without clear objectives. Ensure the title reflects research goals. Don't let titles delay research progress. Efficiently use time for effective research. Research is a systematic discovery process. Methodology and structure guide effective research. Clear objectives and questions drive research direction. Avoid common mistakes and focus on goals. A well-structured proposal leads to successful research. Ethical considerations are vital in research. Ensure participant confidentiality and consent. Avoid data manipulation or misrepresentation. Address ethical issues in the methodology chapter. Ethical research enhances credibility and integrity. Understanding research involves mastering key concepts. From terminologies to proposal structure, each part is crucial. With clear objectives and ethical practices, you're set for research success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.